2 College Square is a 5-bed detached house in Kilkenny. It's just off Leafy College Road, and it's a short stroll from Kilkenny town. It's got a pillared entrance with wrought iron railings and a gravel drive leading up to the front door. It was built in 2001 and has subsequently had a full refurbishment in 2019 with no expense spared. So let's have a look inside. The first thing you notice when you enter is you have a large spacious hallway. To the left you have a mirrored wall with window shutters and radiator cabinet. The stairs leads to the first floor. It's got a solid oak handrail. The carpet is Ulster velvet and it's held in place with antique brass stair rods. The hallway leads to the kitchen, and to the right hand side you have double doors leading to a spacious living room. Here some of the features are again solid oak flooring, a gas fire with a marble mantelpiece surround. To the right you have 2 windows facing the front of the house, giving this room sun in both mornings and afternoons. And then we have a double door leading to the kitchen stroke dining area, which is a major feature of this house. The kitchen was designed by Nicholas Moss. Some of the features are the cabinets are all solid oak. All the countertops have a granite finish. You have a large granite sink with a Blanco hot water tap. And then we have